say you was moving forward. Honesty hurts when you're getting older. I gotta say I'll miss the way you need me.
Okay, hey guys, it's me again. I know you probably don't remember me, and that's totally my fault. I've definitely been MIA from this channel, but we're back. This video today is going to be a little quick life update. Also, I'm going to do my assumptions video that I meant to film when I first posted the poll. Whew, okay, so where to start? I've actually been working on a series that I hope to go live on my channel next month. I have some very exciting news for you guys and I can't wait to share it, but I don't want to yet until it's official. Right now it's just official. I need official. So once that happens, I'll definitely make sure I share that with you guys. This series will kind of take you behind the scenes. It'll take you like what I'm going through, the process, how long, and answer all of those questions. So definitely be on the lookout for that. What else? I just turned 24 this month. All my Pisces people, my March babies, what's up? I am now 24, so I did spend the week with my friends in California. And I kind of want to make a video, not like a vlog because I want it to be more so in the moment, but maybe like a live scrapbook I was thinking. So I need to brainstorm like a really creative, cool way to do that and like make it entertaining because it's mostly going to be short clips and a lot of pictures. So I want to figure out like how I can make that very entertaining for you guys. Wow. So also update my hair. You may notice a little different. I did try something new. I'm obsessed. This is definitely a wig. I believe it's 18-inch frontal, a 22 and 224s. So I just put my hair, I just washed it maybe 2 days ago, and I had my mom do some really tight cornrows, and then I took them out today, and this is the curl I got. It actually looks like I wanded my hair, but these are just braids that I took out. I am obsessed. It was supposed to be a little bit more purple than a blue silvery purple, but I'm actually obsessed with how this came out. I think it looks amazing. I'm going to leave the girl's information down below that did it. Hey Net girl, how you doing? So it's actually really funny. I actually found Net on Instagram. I sent in her DMs and I was like, sis, this is the picture I want. I sent her a picture. And I'm actually more obsessed with what I have now versus the picture I sent her. So I'm like very grateful for her creativity and how she actually executed what I wanted. So this was my birthday wig and I'm obsessed with her. I get so many compliments everywhere I go. And it's just like really fun to switch up our look. I've never done anything this different before. Like I've stuck to the oranges and black and brown and stuff like that. So I wanted to try something a lot bit different. I think this would be super cute for the spring. And also, like, who doesn't want to switch up their look a little bit? Like, who wants to be boring? So yes, I'll insert a couple pictures of it in different styles so you can guys get a full feel of the hair. What else? Update. I left my previous job. I'm at a new job. It's okay. It's okay. But that's going to be pretty temporary as I will be leaving in May to embark on said journey that I'll be telling you guys about fairly soon. Anything else I need to update on? No, I don't think so. So let's get into the assumptions. I have my phone here. I'm just going to reference them for my questions. So first question I'm going to do is, you're a player. I'm not a player. I'm single. I know what I want and I know what I'm not going to tolerate. And I think with that mindset, I get to weed out a lot of what I want and what I don't want from jump. I require a certain level of man. If you cannot attain to that, why are we talking? Next question. Would you be interested in a woman? Oh, okay. Would I be interested in a woman? I haven't met one yet that I have been. So like I don't know. And I've never been with one, so I don't know. Like I've kissed one or two. I don't think that's a big deal, but I've never thought of a woman in like a romantic way. But I mean, listen, you don't knock it till you try it, you know? It works for some people, but I don't know. I don't think that one is for me per se. You party OD. I actually don't. I go out every now and then when I really feel like I need to blow off some steam, or if it's a special event, a friend's birthday, or like a New Year's or something like that. But on the regular basis, I do not party. I'd much rather chill out with a literal handful of friends and just eat, vibe, drink wine, whatever other libations, and just have a good time in like a more intimate setting. I don't know if it's the Pisces in me or what it is, but I really don't enjoy being in large crowds often. I don't enjoy loud music all the time, so that's not really my vibe. OD. You fucking love B. Yes. What's there not to love about B? Like, she's amazing. She has perfected her craft. She's a mother of 3, a wonderful wife, I'm assuming, because like it takes a special woman to take somebody back after cheating. Like, I know he said he had to change the weather and like it wasn't a bag or something, but I know he had to go through the ringer to get B back. She's B. Like, what are you talking about? She is so amazing. And like, honestly, it really frustrates me when people say she's overrated, because I'm like, how are you overrated if you took time and energy to perfect your craft and you're at the top of your game? That's not being overrated. You put the work in. You put the sweat equity in. That doesn't equate to overratedness to me. Say you don't like B and keep it moving. What are you trying to prove? You lack taste. You lack flavor. That's the only thing you prove. Just saying. Next question. I think you were a nice athlete. Not to my own horn or anything, but like, I was nasty. I don't care. I don't care. I was very good. Not at first. When I first started playing softball when I was like 5. Oh, sorry guys. I played softball and then I played basketball in high school, more so sophomore, junior, and senior year. Softball was my thing. Not when I started off at like 5, 6, 7. I wasn't that good. I wanted to quit. My mom didn't let me though. I'm glad she didn't. But after I got the hang of it, I was amazing. I was always 3-4 hitter. My baseball, softball players, y'all know what I'm talking about. I always played short or third, hot corner, covering a lot of ground. I was very fast, especially for my height. People were always amazed like how quick I'll get around those bases. Stealing bases was my favorite thing. Hitting was my favorite thing. Like, I miss softball. I really do. Basketball, it did take me a season to get the hang of it. But towards the end of my first season, I was better, like a lot better. I just didn't know the rules, had no fundamentals, none of that. So like, I literally had to start from scratch. So that was that bad. I actually became pretty decent at basketball. Honestly, I think if I would have been playing maybe like middle school to whenever, I would have been nasty at that as well. I'm just naturally athletic. I pick up things extremely well, so. And that's a test to my parents too, because both of them also played sports, OD, and both of them played basketball. So I was literally bred for basketball. Like, look at my hands, long arms. Like, I was bred for basketball. Next question. I think you're smart AF. Well, thank you. And yes, I am. I do allow my procrastination and laziness to get in the way of that. So obviously, like, sometimes my grades don't reflect that in attendance. Also, can we just please talk about how am I paying to take a class and you're gonna dock off my grade because I decide not to show up? I don't understand that. But like, yes, school is very important to me. My mom did, you know, enable me the opportunity to attend a private school, so that definitely put me a leg up. And I think when I got to college, especially when it came to my English and math classes, I was definitely far in my foreign language, definitely far ahead with those. Anytime you have a very solid foundation in writing and reading, you're gonna excel in almost, you know, everything you do. So yes, I would say I'm smart or whatever. My major in college was genetics, so I did have my eyes set on med school, but life takes other plans. Undergrad burned me out. I don't even know how I would do med school, TBH. You only like black guys. Like yes. Sorry, not sorry. I don't find any other race attractive. Like, I think you could be cute, but I don't want to be with you. I want a black man. I want a black husband. I want a black baby daddy that is a husband. Caught that, right? That's what I want. I want a partner that will understand my struggles. I want a partner that looks like me. I want a partner that will give me chocolatey, melanated babies. That's what I want and that's what I deserve. So that's what it is. I thought your brother was your son. I get this question so often. Guys, Jalen is my brother. I promise you, I would not ever deny that little boy. If he was mine, I would be the first one to scream it from the mountaintops. I swear I was. But he was actually born the day before my first day of senior year. So I started senior year September 7th of 2012. He was born September 6th of 2012. So obviously I wasn't having a C-section and going straight to high school. So no, Jalen is not mine. We are brother and sister. We are 17 and a half years to the day apart. So that's my baby. I'm obsessed with him. I'm taking a bullet for him. I'm knocking people's heads off the shoulders for him. That's it. That's all. You party. We already went over that one. No, I don't. Someone said that you don't like me anymore. Well, we've already discussed this, but to bring it present terms, I don't think the whole texting without action is working for me. I hate texting. I'm sure you can tell by now. If we're not planning a date, then what are we doing? I don't feel like wasting my time, and I feel like that's kind of wasting my time because we're not going anywhere. So like, what are we talking for? What are we talking about? Okay guys, that was my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little update and this little assumptions video. I will be back on my regular filming schedule, I promise. I just really didn't realize how much time filming and editing and getting that series together would take. So I'm definitely going to refocus on, you know, content that I can post right now. So you guys stay tuned for that. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know. Makeup looks, vlogs, another DIY. What do y'all want? Like, I'm here for you. Tell me guys what you want to see from me and I will definitely make it happen. I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.